In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google and ClickUp using Zapier to enhance your productivity and workflow. First, let's get started by searching for ClickUp in your web browser. Just type in ClickUp in the search bar and hit enter. Up should come the official ClickUp website, and that's our destination. Simply click on the ClickUp link to head over to their homepage. Once you're on the ClickUp website, locate the More option. This is where you'll be able to explore additional features and functionalities that ClickUp offers. By clicking here, we are aiming to discover the integrations part of the platform. So next, you'll want to click on Apps. This section houses a variety of different apps and extensions that can be utilized within ClickUp to streamline your work processes. Now, we are on the lookout for Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your applications. Use the search bar to type in Zapier. It's essentially a bridge that allows ClickUp to communicate and synchronize with over 8,000 other apps. When you see Zapier in the list of available apps, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Zapier's integration page. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Install button. Installing Zapier enables ClickUp to connect with numerous other applications effortlessly. Now that Zapier is ready to roll, we want to link ClickUp with many other dynamic apps. To do this, select Connect ClickUp to 8,000 plus apps. This is where Zapier's true potential shines, providing a massive range of possibilities for your tasks. With Zapier and ClickUp connected, the next step is to build your workflows, or zaps, as Zapier calls them. Click on Add Step to create a new sequence for a task you want to automate. At this point, it's all about envisioning what you want your workflow to accomplish. Let's say, for instance, you choose to integrate a chatbot into your process. After picking your preferred application, click on Choose an Event. This action item will dictate exactly what you want your integration to do. Once selected, Zapier will prompt you to add an event. This specific step will require you to decide the trigger or action that will initiate your sequence. Once you've added your event, click on Continue twice in a row for different prompts. Zapier will give you to ensure all settings are correct, and before finalizing your zap. This last push ensures everything's set up correctly. Finally, enter all required steps and complete your setup, and you're all done. This integration is a game changer, allowing you to automate tasks and improve efficiency across a wide array of apps, all through the combined forces of Google, ClickUp, and Zapier.